with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I installed this bomb brown color wig from Myfirstwig. So first things first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. So now I'm going to be showing you all how I installed this. It did come with a band and some combs in the back. I cut out the extra combs, which I only need the nape comb, and then I went ahead and just cut it. So this lace is going to be their light brown lace, and so once I ended up cutting it, I realized that I was going to still need to tint the lace because I am a caramel chick. So since I'm caramel, I decided to use caramel, the lace tint spray from Taylor Crown. I use Taylor Crowns for my customers. They love it. So I actually love this line. This caramel matches so good with my skin, and so I'm just going to be gluing it down, and then the details for this wig is going to be in the description box if you want to check it out. So I normally tie it up for about 20 minutes after I use the Waxstick glue, and then I go and just do whatever I got to do in the house. So the only thing that I kind of didn't like about is the hairline. With this wig, you would definitely have to customize your hairline. Once you see me do the middle part first, because I'm going to be showing you all a middle part and then a side part, you're going to see that it kind of looks like, you can see it right now, it looks kind of boxy. So that's the only thing I didn't like. I definitely would have to either put some baby hairs in this or customize my hairline. And so it is a beginner wig, but I just wanted you all to see that part just in case, because that's one of the things that I was just like, okay, should it be a beginner wig or should it not? But to me, I feel as though this is definitely a beginner wig. So if you all do not realize, I have a new hot comb. Let me tell y'all. So in my last video, I was raving about the hot comb. I was just like, yes, girl, I've had this hot comb for 1.5 years. It's still kicking. I kid you not. I was working on a customer's wig the next day, and that MF died. I was so mad because I was just like, oh my gosh, I cannot finish this wig. So I hopped on Amazon, and guess what? They were sold out in the, what is it? I guess the gold color, because, you know, you got the black and then you got the gold. I was like, bruh, this is what I get for referring this to everybody. I mean, I know it's not just me, but I was so mad because I'm like, bruh. Like, now they're all sold out until like March 12th, it says. So I had to order this black one, and I do not like it. It gets the job done, but I don't feel like it gets hot enough, just like the ceramic one. So FYI, if you are looking at this hot comb, make sure you wait till the other ones become in stock, because yeah, I'm definitely not feeling it. So I'm flat ironing the wig using my Baby Bliss. I have it on 400, so this wig can definitely withstand some heat. And so the knots did become, shoot, girl, I can't even talk. The knots did come pre-bleached, and I did go ahead and pluck some more, but the plucking on this wig was good. The only thing I don't like is that I don't like my color. I've noticed that a lot of people do. They like their color to start right there at like their cheeks or their eyes. I don't like that. I like my color to start like, you know, a little bit of black and then some root, like the roots black, and then the color starts, or just a little bit more of like the black roots. But I don't like my color like this, at least not for the middle part. Now here, when I go ahead and I switch it to the side, I loved it. I was like, oh yes, girl. Okay, now I'm feeling this color. So if you're like me and you don't like that middle part look, then go ahead and switch it to a side part. This is a 13x6 wig, if I have not mentioned, and you definitely want to get in there and smooth it down, because like I said, girl, if you are buying any type of wig from anywhere, you need a hot comb, and this is why. When you try to make another part, it is going to be lumpy, it is going to be frumpy, and you are going to be like, this wig is trash. Like, everybody always say that. This wig is trash. And they don't even have the necessities to make the wig bomb. Like, come on now. Your wigs is just not going to come out looking good unless you know you're shopping with me. Make sure y'all go ahead and shop at www.erikaj.com. I had to go ahead and throw that in there. And so, anyways, this right here is what really looks good. I was like, yes, like, okay. You see that? That looks nice. Anyways, so, other than that, everything about this wig was good. No smell, none of that. And, it did blend really good. I'm going to be showing you all a close-up video, on the hairline. I do feel like I could have made it better, but because I wanted to go ahead and just do the bare minimum, because when I say that it's a beginner wig in a title, I like to go ahead and be like, yes, this is a beginner wig. You can slap it on and go. And so thank you all for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. If you want to see more videos, or if you just enjoy hearing me talking, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, loves.